Today's an exciting day!
I'm Raj and this is Holly from the Primal Desire, but you already knew that. Why is today an exciting day?
Because today we get to open the MyGreenFills laundry soap!
So we've been making our own laundry soap for a while, and we're eventually going to share that recipe, but for now, this is a great solution because you don't got to do it, even though it's super easy. But
It is, but it's still cumbersome. You've got to grate the soap, you've got to have a bucket.
Plus, when we were talking to these guys, they were saying that like some of the homemade soaps can be kind of hard on your equipment, or on your washer.
Yeah,
We haven't had any problems, but
washers aren't cheap.
yeah, they have them in our washers. You know what I mean? So anyway, okay, so we've got this. They sent us this great package to try out. I'm pretty excited about it. It's
I'm
like
super
got
excited.
lots of stuff. What do we want to say about them? There's like a bunch of buzzwords.
There is a bunch of buzzwords. The long and short of it is that, as you know from our work with Beauty Counter, your skin absorbs things that you put on it. And when you put clothes on your skin, it absorbs your laundry soap.
Yeah, you thought about that? That's crazy. Or while you're in bed, or like, you're basically always in contact with stuff.
Toweling off.
I was thinking before, like, I'm not wearing makeup, so I've avoided that. But then I'm always wearing clothes or in bed, or, I mean, not when I'm naked, like tanning, but even then I'm still on my towel. So, you know,
So
except for when you're in the shower, then you're, oh, but then you got your soaps on it. Oh my god, we are 100% being in contact with stuff.
barraged by chemicals.
And that's just the external stuff. Anyway,
Right.
so these guys are clean, sustainable. One of the great things about this is like they send you like they say this is the last
Jug you'll have.
jug you'll ever use and need because they just send you the first one and then you just refill it from there. With like this is 50 loads worth. Also, if you buy it now, then you get. If you buy anything from them right now, I think you get your first 50 loads for free.
And free shipping.
And free shipping.
50 loads, that's a lot of laundry. I'm a catastrophe. I spill stuff all over myself regularly.
Hey, quiet down in there, Instant Pot. Lunch is ready.
I always have a lot of laundry. Bit of a catastrophe. So 50 loads is fantastic.
So this is like I think the big kit that's like got everything in it. So we can show you everything. Yeah.
Refillable laundry wash. So once you have this jug, then you just have to refill it with this.
And this is all that's like coming in the mail. Like, because then you just add water at home.
Yep.
So like your green footprint and like this being sent to you is less than like driving to the store to buy like a new thing of it. You don't have to lug your big laundry soap container with you up the stairs or through the streets or whatever you're doing. And so they've got a scented and a non-scented. What's this? Oh, this is rinse. Okay.
Dryer Angels.
I feel like you're jumping ahead.
I'm just so excited.
Yeah, okay.
So excited.
So, in our kit, we've got the jug and our first 50 free loads. And so this is the laundry wash, and then this is the laundry rinse. Laundry rinse. Premium, non-toxic softening rinse.
So like fabric softener.
Yeah, and like I said, I think everything comes as a scented and non-scented version.
Here's the laundry rinse.
Laundry.
This is the signature scent.
Oh, okay.
It's probably, there's a little lavender there, so probably lavender. And an unscented as well.
Alright. Get things in the other way. Alright, what else is in here? This is the laundry final rinse. Unscented and
a
signature scent.
So those go in those jugs.
And then...
That's 100 loads of laundry.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Alright, now we got extra stuff.
Okay.
There's a laundry machine cleaner.
Yeah.
So I assume that you use this first.
Mm-hmm.
To get rid of like all the other crap that's in there right now.
Mm-hmm. And then if you like us, rent, whatever people have previously put in there for chemicals or pets or diaper, whatever it may be, it's good to clean your laundry machine as well.
That's awesome. So it's a 3-step thing. It comes in a little bag. So you just toss, step 1, toss it inside the washing machine. Step 2, run a heavy hot water cycle. And step 3, your machine is funk free. Which you've been saying we've had some like funkiness to our machine. So anyway, it says you can reuse the bag for knickknacks and stuff because it's like a nice cloth bag. The ingredients list, I really enjoy those. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, sodium chloride, acetic acid, and lots of love. Earth-friendly, non-toxic, hypoallergenic. Awesome.
Yeah, we have a front load washer, so if we don't leave it open, it does get funky. You have to open the soap dispenser and leave the door open, otherwise it smells moldy.
Look at this, glass containers. This is great.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there's some like stain things here. So this is for the Enzyme stain remover. Yeah, okay.
So you just need a tiny scoop per load to remove stubborn stains, or you can put it together in the. You can put it in the jar. Add 1 scoop per load. So you just put this in the jar so that it stays in there. Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. That's pretty.
It's a tiny little scoop.
Okay.
Tiny.
There's also a stain stick.
So when
this would be like spot.
Spill cherries all down the white tank top that I decided to wear when I picked the 50 pounds of cherries.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is gonna be a lifesaver.
So
I'm
you're
so
gonna need
excited.
like some more of these probably.
Oh no. This will last for a while.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Sweet.
Just wet the area
just,
and
like,
rub the stain stick.
Keep stroking that area. Alright. Oh.
OxyBoost.
OxyBoost 100% chlorine-free bleach alternative. Alright. So I'm gonna use this. This is for 48 loads.
That's a bleach alternative, so
you can use it in the wash or as a pre-soak.
White towels or any of your white clothes, sheets.
So is it only for white? We don't know.
No. OxyBoost is like whitening and bleaching.
Is it like color safe? Color safe, that's the word that they use on the commercials.
I believe so. You should test in an inconspicuous place for color fastness.
That's smart.
And it says more than a recommended dose can cause color loss.
Alright, there you go. So don't just be like 48 loads worth.
Not just because it's bad for the environment to put all of that chemical into the waterway.
No, this is non-toxic.
I know. But still.
Yeah.
You're still putting sodium carbonate into the water
Non-toxic.
system. Yeah,
What'd you say? Sodium what?
sodium carbonate. The baking soda.
That's not harmful. Is it? I don't think so.
I don't know.
It just like acts like a buffer or something. Oh my gosh.
I don't know what this is, but it's really well wrapped.
I don't either, but it's got bubble wrap.
Oh, happy day! That's what this says. It's a space refresher.
A what?
Space refresher.
That fan just really. It's
Cut
Good
it
thing that's
around.
not toxic.
Because it's now in your mouth. Odor eliminator and deodorizer.
Citrus. I like it.
Citrus, bergamot, rose. All my favorites.
Nice. That was nice.
Eliminates the unwanted funky odor from your life, leaving behind an aroma of fruits and flowers.
So this is like a schmurberies.
Schmurmuries. Yeah.
Alright, okay. Now you can do this because it
Well,
would
now
be like
I don't
the
want to.
last
You do it.
Step.
No, you do it.
No, you do
No,
it.
you do
No,
it.
you do
No,
it.
you do it.
Fine. Here, you do it first.
Okay.
Alright, this is the dryer angel. Congratulations on your purchase of this dryer angel, which actively oh yeah, I forgot about this part. It actively supports deaf women in Jamaica and former victims of trafficking in China with life-changing work. So I didn't realize this is in Jamaica, but so these women are like sewing these little there's more in there. These little dryer angels, which I guess one of those get bags in there or something. Dryer angels, non-toxic scent booster.
Because fabric softener dryer sheets are terrible for you. The fragrance and the additives that they put in dryer sheets, it's really not something that you want on your skin. So they sent 2 Dryer Angel refills.
And each Dryer Angel insert will last approximately 30 loads. Cool. Well, that sounds pretty fresh.
Will you stop using dryer sheets?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't use them actually anymore.
No?
No, because we got the dryer balls.
The wool dryer balls?
Yeah.
Ah. So now it's gonna smell nice and be static free. Helps them dry faster too, so you're not running your dryer for as long.
Oh. Cool.
Oh, it's an angel. A smelly bum angel. Again, I wish we had smell-o-vision because it all smells so good.
Alright, so we
Super
will put a link for you to check this stuff out for yourself below. Cool, 100 loads. For us, that's going to last a while.
Yeah. A few months. Maybe a year. Maybe a year. Because we would make
I figure we average like a load a week.
each
No. You do a load a week?
with sheets and towels and stuff, probably, yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so a load and a half a week. Okay, which I do this. Because I think I average every 2 weeks or 3.
A load?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're much tidier than I am. I get filthy dirty every day.
Yeah. So 100 loads.
That's
Yeah.
2 years.
That's harder. 2 years?
Yeah, 52 weeks in a year. So a little under 2 years.
No, we're soon doing a week and a half. Or, I mean, a load and a half a week. A year and a half. This is a year and a half worth. In one box. In one little light box.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Making your own laundry detergent is way more cumbersome.
Sure.
It's got that 50-gallon jug
Well, yeah, okay, that's true. Actually.
that you have to scoop out.
Yeah. So this must be a lot. You must use a lot less as well then.
Yeah, you're only supposed to use an ounce.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do laundry with nature. This is so exciting. Cool.
Yeah. Super excited to see how it works.
There's lots of like interesting information on the
On the jugs?
On all the packaging, actually. And this is preventing plastic waste. And I've been like learning some like stats on recycling that have been like really depressing.
Yeah, I'm not
I've never heard that 5% thing, but
the biggest fan of reusing plastic jugs just because of the microplastics as they degrade, but I'm also an advocate for reducing the plastic. So there was a possibility of them using glass. That would be amazing too. It would make it a lot heavier, but
so maybe we should just look for a glass container to use at home. Something that's big.
50 fluid ounces.
Any of our alcohol?
1.47 liters. I think that, so you're looking at just a little under 2 liters. I think one of those big double quart jars would work. But then we would need something to.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe like some booze bottles, a couple booze bottles.
Yeah, potentially. But that's a bit of a tangent, really. I mean, most people aren't concerned with reusing plastic. So.
But we are. This is still way better than like. Yeah, so, I think I didn't even say what the 5% was.
No.
The stat that I heard recently is that 5% of the stuff that we think is being, like, that we put in recycling is actually recycled. So that's nothing. And also, what was the thing that you were saying about all the plastic that's ever been made, ever?
Still exists. In the world, yeah.
And think about how much plastic we're producing, like, by the second.
Yeah, it's in everything. It's crazy.
It's totally screwed up.
Every Kinder Surprise toy ever made still exists.
Yeah, the chocolate's pretty plasticky itself.
Yeah.
Alright, we're definitely tangenting.
Yeah, totally.
Alright, cool. Links below. Thank you.
And if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe,
Share it.
All right.